Turn it up a little. Just a little.
I'm gonna do a little twist for y'all. Go sound like this. Hey, yeah, and so, okay, and so, okay, and so, yeah, cause I got a couple of things that I wanna show you. And so, okay, and so, okay, and so, okay. Hey, listen, yeah. Now the people with an amen. You're my number one, amen. Maybe we can have a amen. Give me number one. And I don't care what the world gotta say to us. She went down to me, girl, when I want to fuck. Got a bottle full of hell, let me squeeze. You do a couple of freaky looks, you feeling me? Now when you ready, we can trade off some words. I can hit you with many reasons. I can look at your curve. Got a kiss of an angel, won't be in the body word. You feel me? You're a beautiful queen, walking the earth. Hold up, now you can be a goat there. Try to come out of body material, who knows that? She let you get a minute, my bottom jeans and daisies. The ear love, I love her right above me. Chill with me, I can show you right. Together we can hop up in the whip and just fry. Sitting up and kicking it all night. I can take a couple of hours a know when you're live. Hey, ma, come and ride with me. We could do.
Oh, Sully. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Hey, okay.
Sully.
That's my dude.